Hello, welcome back to Womiba Finance channel. My name is Sonia, as you already know, but you can call me Oriako. I manage Womiba Finance, and again, I'm the one bringing all the tips and information about the location and financial pillars, tips for you. Okay, today I'll be telling you, or we'll be discussing, or I'll be letting you know that there are 5 universities in America that are entirely free. And this is the time that you need to start making these applications. The time is now. It is not tomorrow. The time is now. So, because when something is free, it is competitive, in this Western world, because you can see what inflation and COVID, have done. COVID did what it did. Then it brought a lot of economic hardship, to people in Western world. So we are all struggling to fix our finances. So when you're coming to Europe, you will be coming to Europe that is trying to curb inflation. So the conversion rates from your own country in Africa or from third world or developing countries will be so high for you to balance up. So that is why I have researched these schools and I'm bringing these tips to make sure that you save money. Remember, this is Womiba Finance. So if it's something that is of your interest, if you want to know how you go to America without paying any fees, or if you know how to go and study abroad, but you are struggling about the fees, you don't know how to raise the fees, or you don't know how to, prepare yourself financially to make that journey happen, this is why you need to stay back and watch this video, because everything that you need is on this video, from A to Z, from the requirements to the schools and to the processes of how you need to start making the application. So there's no any excuse. You have it now. There's not anybody that will tell you this I'm telling you except this channel. So stay back. When we come back, I will just get into it and deal with it quiet, very fast. So see you after the break. Bye. Okay, we are back. So let's start with number 1 school. It's Backless College, girls. So Backless College, has been, free for a long period of time for home students. It became, for like 2 decades ago, it became free for international students from developing countries. If you are from anywhere in Africa, whether you're from Nigeria, giant of Africa, you're from Ghana, you're from Sierra Leone, you're from Liberia, or you are from South Africa, Zambia, Namibia, Tanzania, Zanzibar, Kenya, anywhere, Congo, Gabon, anywhere at all, Morocco, Libya, Egypt, anywhere, Sudan, South Sudan, whatever it is, or wherever you are from in a developing country, even India, you are entitled to make application in this school. So the first one is Backless College. You'll be seeing the links in the screen. Please, when I'm talking, be checking the screen. The link is there to take you direct to the website. Copy down the link because I make it short so that when you put it in Google, it will take you direct to the school I'm talking. So you start your application today, because like I said, it's 0, 0, 0, 0. You're not paying anything called tuition in this school. Backless College added many new courses, like people moving from their first degree to another degree, or people trying to go and get another degree. This is the school for you, because they have good application processes. You will enjoy it. College of Ozarks is number 3. So in this school, like any other school, it is free. And one interesting thing about this school is that you will work Their courses are tailored with the companies that's sponsoring them to work while you're studying. So this is a school where you will be making money and you will be studying as well. So it's just like in UK we call it what are they we calling that? You work, you train, you educate yourself on them. They call it oh, there's something that they call it in United Kingdom. I have forgotten that something is coming, but oh God, what are they calling it? Hi, I've forgotten. There's something they call it in UK and it's widely accepted in UK. If you want to go to school for tech, you might get a company, you'll be studying and you'll be working. You know, you will learn in the job. This is, I don't know. Hey, that word is coming, but I don't know what they call it. When I remember, I will tell you. It's not industrial training, it's not IT. That's a word we call it in UK. Hi, I've forgotten, but I will tell you. Then Curtis Institute of Music for people that wants to go and learn about music. You want to go and learn about recording, photography. You know, this school is good in media, music, media, and casting and all that. So if you want to, because this is, you know, media now, like you are seeing me now is media. Yes, anything I'm doing here, because I was just a novice. I don't even know how to do anything when I started this YouTube. Do you know? I don't know how to record anything. My God, go and watch my old video. You will see that a woman struggling. Coupled with my eyes, I cannot see properly when I started this video. So this school is a music school. They are good in media. You will learn about photography. You will learn about a lot of things, casting, editing, all these kind of things that are now needed by companies to make their marketing easy. So this is school you need to go. So now let's go to requirements, because obviously if you're making an application, there are things that you need to prepare yourself for the application. You know, they are normal, but in America, there are things that they will add to this. You know, we will get to it. Number one is transcript. Most of you know what is transcript. Please, I don't want to waste time because I don't want to make this video to be more than 10 minutes. So most of you know what is transcript. Transcript, when you graduate, you know, the courses you did and your CPGA, or, you know, cumulative score something. So it is in transcript that your potential school that you want to go and study, do masters will look at what you have done and how you have fared and whether they can offer you. That is what is called transcript. Then number two is resume and CV. So, you know, in WTP, check the first comment in this under this video. In WTP, we talked about I have covered this thing a lot of time and I've shared a lot of samples about CV and cover letter. Please join us in WTP. Check the pinned post. It's Telegram group. You will see all the pinned posts there. Then all these things I'm saying here are there. These requirements are there. We'll discuss it sometime. So you can ask people in the group to help you. Once you join the group, you tell them that you're looking for samples of CV. They will just get it up for you. Then proof of English, all of you, no time wasting in this one. All of you know what it is, you know. Then you need to go and do your IELTS, and the score must be above 6.5. In some certain school like this Curtis Institute, you know, sometimes they say it's 5 point something. I don't know whether it's for courses or whether it's for some courses or for something or for people from English speaking country. I don't know. You have to check when you go to their website. Then number 5 is a motivation letter. At least you have to tell somebody why you want to. Maybe you want to go and do data science. You need to tell them why you need to data science, how it will help your career prospect and potentials you need to have with that course. So this is motivation letter. It's simple as telling your course director, potential course director, that look, look at what is motivating you for this course, for doing this course, and look at what you aim to achieve with it, and what it will do in the society at large, and how it will help. So the number 6 is application fee. This application fee sometimes is $65 and sometimes it's $70. Please check the website and see the one your school is taking. Though I made an application for a friend, was it last week, and we paid 70 something dollar. So the number 7 is writing sample to show the courses and the course, and you know, your writing skill about you and yourself, cover letter to back everything that you are saying, you know, before. Then number 8 is passport photo. This one is when you go to a people doing photograph, just tell them it's about immigration purposes and application purposes. They will give you a clean snap and they will help you put it in your email, so that when you are applying for this school, you just, you know, attach from your email, or where you say, okay, when the photographer send it to you, store it in your laptop on your system. So when you're making this application, you just click it and give them. This is the way I make the applications and all that. Then number that's not number 9, but I made this one up. Number 9 is preparation, because I noticed something. The school is what I make. I apply for school. I don't apply for jobs, but this location, part of what I do is making application for people. Then I want to talk about this number 9. This number 9 is this. There are other things that you need for your the location that the school don't get into. Like, before you go and start thinking that you're coming to abroad, you need a passport, international passport. You need a clean criminal record now. And there's a guy, come to WTP, the first comment will lead you there. There's a guy that said that he can help people get their criminal record. I think he's from Nigeria or Ghana. I didn't even look at his name, but I know he's from these two countries, either Nigeria or Ghana. So he said he helps people. So these are the things that you need. Immediately you have submitted these 8 things, they will give you offer letter if they are accepting you. But I believe that you people are intelligent and smart, and you know, you will get it easily. So they will give you an offer letter. When they give you this offer letter, they will give the date of your starting school is there. This is when now you go to the embassy with that passport, criminal record, your yellow fever, whatever, and all that. Remember, when you get to America, this is a quick one. I'll run it quickly because this video is becoming big. Application fee, accommodation, food, transportation, textbook, insurance, semester. These ones are the ones when you start working, you will cover this fees. What you're not paying is tuition fee, which runs in thousands. So I know that when you start working, you can manage this. I did it when I did my second master's. So you can do it if I can do it. I don't have anybody here when I came. No, not single family member. I survived, you know, with this kind of scholarship. So if you work, you can pay your bills. So this one is not, but I just want to make you aware that your application fee, accommodation, food, transportation, textbooks, insurance, and semester is what you have to do by yourself. So this is where I will be ending this video. I rush this, I know, but you know, people are saying that the video is normally big, it's normally long, that they want it small. So that's why I'm rushing, and I try to put everything in case the way I'm talking and I miss something, then you can just see it. But anyway, please, please, this is where we are ending this video, and please share this video with your family members and your family members and everybody around you. And tell them about Womiba Finance channel. You know, we are trying to build this platform even in WTP and in YouTube. So we are not doing social media. We are not big in social media at the moment because we have a lot of work to do in our website, then YouTube, and in Telegram. So I'm preparing that since you know, I'm still healing from my surgery. So you know, you can see sometimes the eyes is trying to draw me back. So I'm still healing. It's not all that. I'm still on drugs, you know, that I come here all the time. I'm still on heavy drugs. So join, subscribe, tell your family members, your parents, your colleagues, siblings, associates, peers, and everybody that you know about Womiba Finance channel. And we will be right back with another video. So see you in the next video. Bye.